Heavy and bulky products can be a logistical nightmare for dropshippers. In today's video, I'll be showing you some of the products that you should be avoiding when you're starting your dropshipping business. And make sure that you watch this video until the end, because product number 5 will surprise you. I know you might be on YouTube looking for several ways of making money passively, and you've already maybe thought about starting a Shopify business. That's why I'm making this video, so that I can give you a guide on how you should start your dropshipping business, so that you don't make the same mistakes that I did and other people did while we were starting our dropshipping journey. And I'm sure you've watched videos from some YouTube gurus that have already promised to sell you courses so that you can start your dropshipping business. But I'm making this video for you to freely get this knowledge to start your dropshipping business without paying me a penny. And I promise you, I'm not one of those YouTubers that will come and sell you courses.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
In the first position, we have heavy and bulky products. Heavy and bulky products can be a logistical nightmare for dropshippers. And these products have the highest return rate and customer dissatisfaction. And remember, when you're doing dropshipping or any online business, one thing that you have to be careful with is making the customers happy and satisfied, so that you don't get bad reviews on your store, because negative reviews from dissatisfied customers will chase away many potential customers that will be coming to your store to check and try to purchase products from you. The heavy and bulky products also cost higher when it comes to shipping, and the high shipping costs will be eating into your profits. And that being said, I strongly encourage you to stick to smaller, lighter, and easier to handle products when you're drop shipping. And next on the products that you should avoid when you're drop shipping are the fashionable clothings. You might be surprised, but clothings, especially the trendy fashions, can be a drop shipping trap. This is caused by sizing issues, quality concerns, and fashion fads that come and go quickly, which lead to a high rate of returns and unhappy customers. And guys, if you reach this part of the video when you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also feel free to give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any other new videos that will be coming up. And next on the products that you need to avoid when you're dropshipping are the fragile products. These fragile products include glassware, delicate ornaments, and many more others. And the reason why I'm saying that you should avoid fragile products is because these products are prone to breakage when they are being shipped to the customers. So you need to avoid these products because, like I said in the beginning of this video, when you're doing online businesses like dropshipping, you have to make sure that the customer received the product the same way that they expect it to be. These fragile products end up breaking during shipping to the customer. So you should avoid these products, because just imagine a customer purchases a product, and by the time the product gets to the customer, it's already broken, and guess who will be making the losses? The customer will come and request for a refund and return the broken product with a negative review on your store, and this will chase away many potential customers. So you need to avoid such products that can easily break when they are being shipped to the customer. And guys, when you're starting your dropshipping store, you also need to avoid those high-ticket branded products without authorization. Selling branded products without authorization can get you into legal trouble. So always ensure that you have a right to sell these products before putting them onto your store. You just have to do this to avoid any legal troubles that can come out of selling a branded product without authorization. And guys, you also need to avoid oversaturated niches. If you're just starting dropshipping, diving into an oversaturated niche can be a recipe for failure. Too much competition can make it difficult to stand out and make profits. So guys, always remember to opt for niches that have a balance of demand and competition. Next, on the products that you need to avoid when you're dropshipping are the perishable products. Some of these products include flowers, perishable foods, or even some of those products that require to be kept in a refrigerator when they are being shipped to the customers. You need to avoid these products because they easily get spoiled during shipping, and any delays in shipping can lead to damages and losses. So you need to stay away from any perishable goods, and I encourage you to instead focus on the non-perishable products. And guys, you also need to avoid those extremely cheap products. Selling products that are too cheap can lead to a thin profit margin. And that being said, I don't encourage you to sell those extremely cheap products because your profit margin will be so low. And remember, at the end of the day, everyone is drop shipping to make money and to make profits, and no one should come here and lie to you that they are drop shipping for passion. So if you're looking at making profits, you need to stay away, far away from those extremely cheap products, because you won't be making enough profit for you to stay in the business. And like I told you in the previous video, that you should offer your customers free shipping in order to attract more customers. So just imagine if you have to account for shipping and marketing and you're here selling that cheap product, at the end of the day you won't be making any profits. So these cheap products are some of those products that you should be avoiding when you're drop shipping. And lastly, on the products that you need to avoid when you're drop shipping, we have copyright infringing products. Remember to avoid products that violate the copyright and intellectual property laws. Selling knockoffs and counterfeit products can land you in serious legal trouble. So just imagine if you decided to drop ship fake Jordan sneakers from China or Taiwan to the USA, and then you end up getting caught for selling counterfeit products. Can you imagine how much legal trouble you will have gotten yourself into? So I encourage you to avoid products that can get you into such legal trouble, and then look for other products that are free from copyright and intellectual property law violations. And this can be done by doing product research. And if you don't know how to do your product research, you can go back to my previous video on how to find a winning product. Watch the video until the end, then you'll be able to find yourself a winning product, or a product for you to sell that will not get you into legal trouble. Those are some of the products that you should avoid when you're drop shipping if you're looking at being successful as a drop shipper. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any other new coming videos.